Welcome back to Microsoft Minutes. Today, we have a few tips and tricks for OneDrive. Let's take a look. You can share a folder or file with someone else within GCPS by clicking on the icon, or click the three dots and select Share. Now, specify who you are sharing the file with and determine if they need edit access. By clicking Send, you are sending them an email with a link to the file or folder. Let's explore the other options that are hidden in the three dots. You will see Preview, Download, Print, and Version History. When you share a file, you might need to see when it has been modified. Version History provides you this information and the option to restore it to a previous version if necessary. Don't be afraid to click on the three dots. It might reveal a hidden treasure that can make your work easier. Next time, we will explore tips and tricks in Outlook Calendar. See you next time on Microsoft Minutes.